Welcome to LFA's video on microcrystalline cellulose. Microcrystalline cellulose, often referred to as MCC, is refined wood pulp produced in a controlled environment. It's a white powder that doesn't have any taste or smell. MCC is an inert substance, meaning it's chemically inactive and will not react with any other ingredients. It's commonly used as a bulking agent, binder, glidant, disintegrant, and an auxiliary suspending agent. It is considered to be one of the most versatile excipients. MCC is a great excipient for both tablet production and capsule production. The main advantages of microcrystalline cellulose. MCC has excellent compressibility properties. It will increase the compressibility of your formulation. It also helps with the flow, allowing formulations to move smoothly through machinery, ensuring consistent tablet weights. MCC is an excellent binder to help tablets stay together, avoiding fragile tablets, whilst it also can be used as a filler, which is needed when your doses of active are very low. As well as being odourless, tasteless and non-reactive, MCC has a low bulk density, which will lead to higher dilution and packing density. Microcrystalline cellulose is the most common binding agent used to manufacture solid dose foods and pharmaceuticals. This is due to the compatibility and strength when turned into a tablet, whilst also dissolving easily when digested. It also acts as a great bulking agent if you need to increase the weight of your tablet a little more. It's used as a disintegrant in formulations and speeds up formed tablets deterioration, allowing your active to work faster. Microcrystalline cellulose is directly compressible, meaning it can be pressed into a tablet directly without any other ingredient. A huge benefit to this is that it does not have to be granulated, which makes the tableting process more streamlined and efficient. MCC is safe to consume in normal quantities and is widely used as an excipient for its all-round versatility. LFA does sell microcrystalline cellulose in a selection of weights. Please see the link in the description below. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.